Child, it is time for me to do something to my head. So if you are ready to see me go from this to this and take little cute pictures like this, then keep watching. I wish I could say that I am starting off on freshly washed hair, but girl, my hair has not been washed or retwisted in 6 weeks. So it is kind of crunchy, kind of scraggly over here. But that's okay because that's why I love doing my low ponytails in between my retwists. So I'm just going to take a spray bottle, and you can use any spray bottle. I just have water in this spray bottle. I'm just spraying my hair, and then I massage the water into my scalp and into my locks. All right, after we are done with all of the massaging, I start to brush my hair down. My hair is wet enough so that it's not feeling crunchy, it's not feeling dry anymore. So I just brush it down with a soft brush. I do not use hard brushes on my hair. Once I'm done brushing, I take a jumbo ponytail holder and I'm putting my hair into a low ponytail. I love jumbo ponytail holders because I can't do the little rubber bands. If you need some jumbo ponytail holders, I'm going to link them on my Amazon storefront. After my hair is in a ponytail, I like to pull on each individual lock just to make sure it's really getting its length. Sometimes my locks kind of get caught in one another, or they'll just get like jumbled up, so I just like to pull on them. And now this is where the magic happens. I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. I'm just so used to using Eco Styler. I've been using it all my life, so I still use it even though I have locks. But when I put this on my hair, I try not to get it in my locks. I really just like to put it on my new growth. I know that it can kind of seep into my locks a little bit, but I just like to apply it to the new growth only. And then I take my same brush and I start to brush the gel down into my hair. I spray my hair with one last drop of water, and then this is where the marinating happens. I put my scarf on and I let my hair sit. Not too long today because I actually have somewhere to be. All right, it's about 20 minutes later. My makeup is done. I'm almost ready to go. So I'm taking my scarf off, but we are still not done yet. Yes, it's slick, but I still have a few finishing touches. And my hair, I think I messed up the part a little bit. So I'm just going to start doing some edges just so we can, not look at that part so much. And I'm using my 4C only gel. All right, I am very pleased with this low ponytail. I love how slick it is. I love my length. I love my face. The face is beat. But like I said, I have somewhere to be. And I'm the type of girl to sit in the car, on the way to where I have to be, and I put my scarf on. So I am going to put my scarf back on. And this is when I took my scarf off. So when I actually got to where I needed to be, and I loved the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check the description for any links that you might need. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.